When you look at the night sky, you see thousands of millions of stars in the sky. Have you ever wondered what happens in the midst of all those huge high-energy density gas bodies, in the vast vacuum of space? There's a lot to talk about space. The fact is we don't know all the answers about it. We know it's vast and beautiful. Here are 10 facts about space that will fascinate you. Before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. 1. 99% of our solar system's mass is the Sun. Our star, the Sun, is so dense that it accounts for a whopping 99% of the mass of our entire solar system. That's what allows it to dominate all of the planets gravitationally. Our Sun fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen to helium every second. It also converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy as a byproduct. The Sun weighs about 330,000 times more than Earth. 2. The Milky Way galaxy is 105,700 light-years wide. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system, with the name describing the galaxy's appearance from Earth, a hazy band of light seen in the night sky, formed from stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked eye. A light-year is the distance covered by light in a single year. So 1 light-year equates to roughly 5,903,226,326,255 miles. It would take a modern spacecraft 450 million years to travel to the center of our galaxy. 3. The tides are formed by the Moon's gravitational pull. Have you wondered how tides are formed? The Moon's tidal force causes the Earth and the water on it to bulge out on the side closest to the Moon. These bulges are what cause the world's high tides. 4. More energy from the Sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. The use of solar energy has increased at a rate of 20% each year for the past 15 years. The world added 30% more solar energy capacity in 2017, meaning that 98.9 gigawatts of solar energy was produced that year. Despite seemingly large number, this amount of energy only accounts for 0.7% of the world's annual electricity usage. 5. Pluto is smaller than the United States. If you were to walk around the equator of Pluto, it would be the same distance as walking from London to Denver, well, give or take 56 miles. 6. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is shrinking. Along with being the solar system's largest planet, Jupiter also hosts the solar system's largest storm. Known as the Great Red Spot, since it's big and ruddy-colored, it's been observed in telescopes since the 1600s. Nobody knows exactly why the storm has been raging for centuries, but in recent decades another mystery emerged: the spot is getting smaller. 7. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the Moon could last up to 100 million years. Moon rocks erode at a rate of 0.04 inches every 1 million years. This means that the astronauts' footprints on the Moon from the Apollo mission in 1969 could be there for 10 to 100 million years. 8. The center of the Milky Way galaxy has tens of thousands of black holes. According to a new study, there are tens of thousands of black holes at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Black holes are impossible to detect on their own because light can't escape from them. But when paired with a star, they interact in a way that allows scientists to find them using X-rays. 9. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Neutron stars are the densest and tiniest stars in the known universe. Although they only have a radius of about 10 kilometers, 6 miles, they may have a mass of a few times that of the Sun. They can rotate at up to 60 times per second, after they are born from a core collapse supernova star explosion, and have been known to spin as fast as 600 to 712 times per second because of their physics. 10. In 3.75 billion years the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. The Andromeda galaxy is approaching the Milky Way, where our solar system is, at rate of around 110 kilometers per second, 68 miles per second, and eventually the two will collide to form a giant elliptical galaxy.